Welcome back. Willkommen. Before we start, let's go through the old words one more time. Die Tiere. Die Katze. Der Hund. Der Vogel. Der Elefant. Der Löwe. Der Bär. Das Pferd. Der Tiger. Der Stier. Die Schildkröte. Das Schwein. Die Kuh. Die Schafe. Die Ente. Rennen, gehen, springen, schnell, langsam. Good job. For our lesson for today, we are going through some verbs and we are going to learn how to use them in our sentences. Our first verb is to go. To go in German means gehen, as you already know. There are actually two words for the verb to run. There is rennen and laufen. We are going to talk about those soon. To jump means springen. To do sports in general, you say Sport machen. Sport machen. To swim means schwimmen. Schwimmen. To dance, you say tanzen. Tanzen. To ride a bike, you say Fahrrad fahren. Fahrrad fahren. Fahrrad is bike and fahren is translated into drive. To play, you say spielen. Spielen. If you want to say I like or I don't like something, you say ich mag for I like and ich mag nicht for I don't like. Ich mag, I like. Ich mag nicht, I don't like. If you want to show your feelings in a stronger way, you can say I love or I don't love something. Ich liebe, I love. Ich liebe nicht, I don't love. Ich liebe nicht. Try to complete those sentences by putting a verb at the end. Okay, let's read those possible answers. Ich mag schwimmen. I like to swim. Ich mag schwimmen. Ich mag nicht laufen. I don't like to run. Ich mag nicht laufen. Ich liebe springen. I love to jump. Ich liebe springen. Conjugieren is the same as conjugate a verb. When you want to say I play, you play, he plays, and so on. In the German language, it is a bit more difficult than the English language, but we are going through it step by step. Before we start, let's take a look at the German pronouns. Ich means I. Ich. Du is you. Du. Er and sie are the same as he and she. Er, sie. Es is the same as it. So we have er, sie, es. We means wir. Wir. And you for plural, you say ihr. Ihr. And finally, for they, you say sie. Sie. When you want to use the verb with a specific pronoun, you have to change it a bit. And by change, I mean that you have to add those letters at the end of the verb. For ich, you add e. For du, you add este. But you have to be careful here, because the pronunciation is st. It's not sht. For ses, you put simply a t. For wir, the verb stays the same as in infinitive. For ihr, you put also a t. And finally, for sie, the verb stays also in its infinitive form. Let's start with the verb gehen. I go means ich gehe. In this case, you delete the en at the end of the verb in the infinitive form and you only put an e at the end. So it's ich gehe. I go. You go is du gehst. Du gehst. Es geht. Wir gehen. You can see the verb stays the same here. Wir gehen. Ihr geht. Ihr geht. And finally, sie gehen. Just like wir gehen. Again, now let's try with the verb springen. Ich springe. Du springst. Es springt. Wir springen. Ihr springt. Sie springen. The same goes here for machen. Ich mache. Du machst. Es macht. Wir machen. Ihr macht. Sie machen. And so on. And now let's try again with schwimmen. Ich schwimme. Du schwimmst. Es schwimmt. Wir schwimmen. Ihr schwimmt. Sie schwimmen. With spielen, it's ich spiele. Du spielst. Es spielt. Wir spielen. Ihr spielt. And sie spielen. With laufen, it's a bit different. You say that laufen is nicht regelmäßig. It's not regular. But don't worry, the only differences are with du and ses, and that's it. Ich laufe. Du läufst. As you can see, we have to change the a into an e. So it's läufst. Läufst. The same goes for LCS. Läuft. Other than that, the verb stays exactly the same. Wir laufen. Ihr lauft. Sie laufen. Fahren is also nicht regelmäßig. Not regular. Ich fahre. Du fährst. The same as laufen. LCS, fährt. And then comes wir fahren. Ihr fahrt. Sie fahren. And that's it. Let's go through the verbs and the new words one more time. Gehen. Laufen. Springen. Sport machen. Schwimmen. Spielen. Fahrrad fahren. Tanzen. Ich mag nicht. Ich liebe nicht. That was our lesson for today. I hope to see you soon again, and until then, bye bye.